Hey guys, in this video we're going to talk about how you can open Chase Bank account online for international students. But before we begin, make sure to hit that subscribe button down below. It really helps me out. Now first of all, open up any preferred browser on your PC. Search for Chase Bank. After that, enter your username and password in order to sign in. But if you want to create a new non-resident account, just follow the steps. Every year, thousands of people from every corner of the globe migrate to United States. Many of them arrive here as international students, attracted by top-notch educational opportunities, while the others arrive for work. Having a checking account can be a way to build a solid foundation for your financial life in the US. Some non-residents sometimes believe they are ineligible to open a bank account in this country. Fortunately, that isn't true. Many financial institutions offer US bank accounts for non-residents. However, there may be a little bit of additional paperwork involved. Let's find out more. So what do you need to open a non-resident account? Document required may vary from bank to bank. When opening a bank account in the US, non-residents may need to provide identification, proof of address, and opening deposit. Contact your bank to inform what documentation is needed. Here are some items that you may need to open an account. Driver's license with your photo, passport, student ID, etc. Then proof of address like utility bills, letter with name and address, and opening deposit. Now, can a non-resident open an account without social security number? Non-residents who don't have a social security number can apply for individual taxpayer identification number. This may be used as a substitute for SSN on your bank account application if one is required by the bank. In summary, the process to open a US bank account for non-residents may require a little extra time and effort, but there can be significant advantages to doing so. When you open a bank account in the United States, it allows you to access your funds, utilize debit and ATM services, and accept payments while building financial history. To get the list of documents required, you can go over to the embed here and take a note of these so that you have them ready while creating a non-resident account. So that's how you can open a Chase Bank account online for international students. And that's all for today's video. Hope you liked the video. I'll be meeting you in the next one. See you soon. Bye.